got more snow coming on its way too. Shit. Let's go in here and do this review. Good morning, YouTubers. Ohio gozaimasu in Japan, and bonjour in France, and ni hao in China. This is the review of the Daisy 880'S multiple pump and the big heavy hitter right here, the TR77 Crossmen Fury 2 Blackout. And let me tell you something, these guns are no joke. See you in the next clip. Well, like I said, these guns are no joke, believe it or not. Yeah, just wait a minute. Yeah. These guns are no joke. Alright. First off is the Daisy multi-pump action lever. Sniper rifle, which this one represents the Remington 700. What can I say about the Daisy? Shoots well. I mean, shoots very well. At 55 feet, head test, I was capping the head pretty hard. Sounds like a 22 when it goes off, when it's pumped 10 times, and that's all it needs is 10 times. It has 4x15 scope, which is not the best scope, but in a way it's best altogether. It's a clear scope, I can see out of it, no problem. Aiming it, this one's very light, comfortable to the shoulder, very light. I can hold this almost all day, fire it, re-shoulder it, carry it, doesn't matter. This is a multi-ammo, so BBs, pellets, any kind, as long as it 177 caliber and doesn't go over. I can shoot Grandma in this one, I can shoot Daisies, I can shoot Crossmens, I can shoot Copperheads. Daisy knew what they was doing when they made this. During the 70s, these were all made out of metal instead of metal and plastic. So, that is that. My newest purchase is the Crossmen. Ready for this? Okay, this is the TR77 Crossmen Fury 2 stealth system, 2-stage trigger, one for safety, one for firing. Okay, this is a heavy hitter. Poundage on this gun is 6 pounds 3 ounces. It's pretty heavy. A lot of people say it's light. To me, it's pretty heavy because of the essential metal barrel. All this is metal set for the deposit stock. Yeah, the deposit stock. This is a 4x23 scope. It's not a short range scope. This is a long range scope. Reason why it's a long range scope, I tell you, is blurry in close range. But far distance, good. I haven't yet fired this one yet, but I have done a fire test to see how powerful it is. It has a recoil. Oh. Yeah. And another thing, parents, whoever bought these for their kids, and they're not yet 18 years old, this is adult size pellet gun. It's a hunter. So you might have to take the gun from them and switch it with the Crossmen you know what, Pump Master is more their speed. Other than that, this is a good gun. This is maybe a cross from an M4 and a 308. It looks pretty stealthy, pretty stealthy, pretty heavy. It is heavy, let me tell you, pretty heavy. But other than that, can't wait to fire this. Yes, this is adult size pellet rifle. Today's 880 is adult size. So these two are meant for older, like since 19, 18, 18 or 19, maybe a 17-year-old, all the way up to 20, 21, to 40 years old to 50. So that's that on the thing, and wish everyone some happy shooting, and don't point these at cops. They'll kill you dead. Thank you.